Quick disclaimer, these Kankei floating shelves were given to me for my honest review. Here is a quick unboxing so you know what to expect when you receive this package. As you can see here, everything was nicely, securely packaged and wrapped tight all together, which is smart to prevent any movement and shifting and route and prevent any damage, right? So everything looked like it was in tip-top shape. We have about 4 of these square MDF boards, 1 small piece and 1 large piece, and it has the attachment bar behind that little string there, as well as plenty of hardware to complete the project. The first step to install is to grab the hardware off the largest block and mark your holes. This is very important to mark your holes first before installing your drywall studs, as you can see here. Once areas are marked, grab your studs and use the screw to drive the hole into the drywall, like so. I like to use the threads on the screw to clean out the hole to make it large enough for the actual stud. Then all you do is just grab your stud, just like so. Screw that in place, then grab your hardware. Now you can install the actual screw into the hardware that goes into the drywall stud. Once you're certain that it's nice and straight, then you can grab your MDF board here and line up the holes and push it in place like so. Easy peasy. This is what it should look like if it is nice and level. Now with the smaller blocks, you can get pretty creative here. The install is slightly different because they have individual studs you'll have to install, and this is a little hack. Put the screws in there to mark your spots. With your holes marked, all you have to do now is install your drywall studs just like that. Insert the screws and now you can slide it in place. Just make sure your notches are lined up like so. Line up the notches and slide downward. Just make sure the screws are close enough to the wall so you can have a nice tight fit. Here is my completed project. These shelves also come in brown, y'all, and have fun with it. I hope this video was helpful.